Okay, number 12 looks a little different than the other ones we've been doing. So suppose g of x is a transformation of our parent function. So remember x squared, we call that our parent function, and it's just a parabola through 0, 0. And when we have all these movements, they're called transformations. So we're translating, we're moving 5 units right, we're shrinking vertically, and we're translating 3 down. So that's why we use what we call vertex form. So A is our shrink or stretch. It's also a reflection if it's negative. H is our horizontal, so right or left movements. And then K is our vertical movements or up or down. So translates 5 units right. Well, that's going to be our H value. And remember, it's the opposite. If we're going right 5, you would think, oh, we're going positive 5. But it's negative. It's always the opposite sign. So we have x minus 5 squared. And then shrinks vertically by a factor of 2/3. So whatever your factor is of shrinking or stretching, that's A. So 2/3. And then our last one translates down 3. And that one is what you would think. If we're going down 3, we're going to go minus 3. If we were going up, it would be plus. So now we're going to graph this by plotting its vertex and one more point. Well, the vertex is opposite sign, remember, positive 5, negative 3. But we need one more point. Let me type our equation. 2/3 x minus 5 squared minus 3. Wonder if it's going to make me type g of x. I don't know. I'm going to go get one more point for our graph. So I know our vertex is here, 5, negative 3. I want one more point. So I'm going to go to the table. Oh, there's one. 2, 3. Okay, so vertex is at 5, negative 3, and then 2, 3 is another point, according to Desmos. Okay, so it's skinnier because of the 2/3, and then we moved it. Let's see if it makes me put g of x. Your equation should have g of x in it, right? It'll tell you what you did wrong if you're close. Okay, so g of x, there we go.